Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Tuesday and today first flight. And today we will complete the story that is Madam Rides the Bus. And that already in the previous 3 videos we have come to know, we have learned about the different stages of Madam, that is Valli, about her desire, about her efforts to fulfill her desires, and her experience when she finally could fulfill her desire. So we came to up to there we came that a young cow a young cow was just raising its tail. It was running in front of the bus, and then by the sight of that, Valli was very much happy, and she started clapping, she started laughing. And then when conductor was a little bit not polite, then Valli stopped, and she also had seen a huge train, large train, just passed by the crossing, railway crossing. Up to here we have learned. And then finally the bus reached at its destination, and Valli had seen that everywhere that nicely decorated shops were there, and the things were there, that merchandise means that the things to sell were there, and the passengers, they got down from the bus. But Valli was there still inside the bus. Then conductor came to her and asked that, hey lady, what's you are not just leaving the bus, that the money 30 paise you have given to me, it is over. Then conductor asked that why she is not getting down, and why she was not travel or just roam the city. Valli told that she was afraid of that, and she did not want to get down from the bus. Then conductor told that why that alone you came over here and you traveled, and that time you were not scared, but now why are you scared? Then Valli told, no, that in the same bus I will go back, I will return to my home. And she brought out taken out another 30 paise from her pocket and gave it to the conductor, and conductor gave her the ticket. And conductor also asked that your mother will not look for you, your mother will not search for you. Then Valli told that then and there Valli told, no, nobody will look for me. Then conductor told, okay, then you be over here, and I am bringing for you one cold drinks. Then Valli told that I don't have enough money, so extra money, so please, no, I don't have. Then conductor told, no, money is not necessary, this is from my side. But Valli firmly denied, Valli refused, no, please, no. So after some time the bus started, and this time also there were not much passengers, and the same nice sceneries were there, and Valli also just observing the sceneries, and she was very much glad, and just with the same attention she also was observing. And suddenly she came to that she saw that on the way back of the bus, that the same cow, young cow, it was just lifting its what stretching its what legs, spreading its legs. It was just lying down on the road, and it was totally blood-stained. And so Valina, are what happened? This was the same cow na, that when we were coming, it was running in front of our bus. Then conductor told, yes, maybe some just vehicle has struck it. Then and now it is lifeless, it is dead. Then Valli looked at the cow, dead cow, and she first time she just came to know any dead body, maybe it is an animal. And this the incident just shocked Valli. Valli was very much shocked by the incident, because she could not believe that how just lively, how the nice, the live, just lively that alive cow was just few just minutes ago, and now the cow is dead. So, and she just sat on her seat, and she was not looking through the window because she was deeply shocked by the sight. And as if that she was glued, means she was just pasted with on her seat. So and when the bus came and bus reached to his stoppage, then Valli got down. She stretched and she got down, because for long time she was there inside the bus. And when she returned, it was 3:40. When she returned, that time she saw that her mother, she has woke up and she was gossiping with one of her aunts, and that aunt was from South Street. And this aunt, she was, as per Valli, she was a real chatterbox, means once she opened her mouth, never she closed it. And when Valli just entering her home, that mother was just casual, but aunt asked, where have you been, means, and but Valli knew very well that she just asked casually, but she did not want any answer for that. And Valli did not reply also. She just smiled, and that Valli's mother and Valli's aunt, they were just talking about that there were lots of things in the world that a person they did not know, and if they know also, they are unable to understand. When Valli's aunt was telling that, then Valli told, you are correct, you are absolutely true. And then aunt was that she did not expect such answer from Valli. Then Valli's mother, what did you say? Then Valli told that no, I am just agreeing what you told. So and Valli's aunt told that what sort of girl, and how she is behaving and how she is answering as if that she is a grown-up girl. Naturally, just when a girl is answering this way, and aunt did not take this lightly, because she was little bit offended, and she told that how a little girl, she was poking her nose in that when the elderly persons are talking. But Valli did not say anything. So up to here your lesson is now it is closed, it is completed. So that when Valli just 8 years old, a girl, it was to me it was really unique that 8 years old girl, she started first time she was traveling by bus. She collected money and she planned that in the same bus she had to come back. 8 years old, for a girl of 8 years old, it is really an unique thought, unique attempt also. So watch the video. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.